Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click subscribe, and if you're a regular, welcome back. So in this video I'll show you how I achieved this hairstyle with only just 80 rands. So please keep on watching and enjoy. Because it was long, I had to cut it in half. Now because I have short hair, I start with the wool, but if you do have long hair, you don't need the wool. You can just start braiding with your own hair. So I braid two sides so that I can put the faux lock in the middle, start braiding. You're gonna start unraveling one side of the lock so that you can wrap it around when you're done braiding. So at the end, you're gonna rub your hands around the lock so that it locks. So I'm gonna do this one more time. So they're still a bit hard at the top. Not sure when they'll go down, but this is the length. I had to cut a few pieces just to, because some were longer than others. So yeah. So that's all for the video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of it. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Until the next one. Bye.